Hi, my name is Orlando Valido, Oli Valido. I would like you to visit this website that I made myself. It's about photography, but also about website link. When you click on any of this website link with a picture, it will take you to the website of a company that's selling their goods and services. So when you buy something there, I will make a little bit commission from it. And they pay me a little bit, just a little bit of commission, but that will help me a lot with my YouTube channel and to buy me a new van. Will you please visit this website link and buy something? I will really appreciate it from you. Thank you. God bless you. Have a good day or night. Bye bye.